Halina sa Kiss Kazina. Today we have Ta'il na Nakabe. So in English it's goat's feet. In English it's goat's feet. Ta'il na ena. Yes. So look at it. Do you think that looks nice? Well, not really, because well, it is nice, but look at it. It's bubbling. See, it's bubbling, which means you have to cook it. Yes. So I think that's chicken. Looks like chicken, but it's actually goat's feet. You eat it with some rice, which is also tasty. Tasty, you see? So let's put some rice in it, or in fact, I'll put all of it. Yes, you need to be calming. So some people doesn't like it because they think they're English, but we like it because it is Filipino, and we are Filipinos. Say that again. We are Filipinos, and this is a Filipino food. It's so glorious, isn't it? But also hot. Well, you're cooking it, isn't it? Yes, you're cooking it. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, put thumbs up. Here's Halina sa Kiss Kazina. Goat's feet.
So there we have it, guys. Goat's feet and tripe. You know what? I like Filipino food. Always get different combinations. We make the food great.